Anova Precision Cooker Nano, a compact and affordable sous vide immersion circulator, ideal for cooking for 2 people. Use the Anova Precision Cooker Nano with any pot. With Bluetooth connectivity, you're able to control and monitor your cook from your phone via the Anova app. The Anova Precision Cooker Nano is easy to use. Place your food in a sealable bag. Set your Anova Precision Cooker Nano to the desired time and temperature using the manual controls or the Anova app. Place your sealed food into the pot. Anova will let you know when your food is cooked to perfection. When cooking protein, finish with a quick sear for the desired texture. The Anova Precision Cooker Nano is built to last, with a splash-proof body. Rinse the bottom of the cooker under warm water to clean. Cook like a pro from your own kitchen with the Anova Precision Cooker Nano. Perfect results every time.